Hi, today we will see the simultaneous equation word problem. The question says the ratio of two numbers is 2 by 3. If 2 is subtracted from the first and 8 from the second number, the ratio becomes the reciprocal of the original ratio. Find the numbers. That means if you're subtracting 2 from the first and 8 from the second number, the new ratio will become the reciprocal of the original ratio. So what is reciprocal? First we will understand that. Suppose the ratio is 2 by 3, then the reciprocal of 2 by 3 becomes 3 by 2. That means the numerator becomes the denominator and denominator becomes the numerator. Actually it is 1 by 3 by 2, 2 by 3 because the ratio was 2 by 3. So it is 1, 2 by 3. That means 3 goes on the top and 2 comes at the bottom. So reciprocal means you change the numerator with denominator and denominator with numerator. So let's see the sum. There are two numbers. So let the first number be x and the second number be y. So what is the ratio, initial ratio? It is 2 by 3. So x by y is equal to 2 by 3, which implies 3 goes here and y goes here. 3x is equal to 2y. That is 3x minus 2y is equal to 0. This becomes our first equation. Now it is saying if 2 is subtracted from the first, that means x minus 2 because the first number was 2 and 8 is subtracted from the second. So y minus 8. Now what is the ratio? The new ratio, the ratio becomes the reciprocal of the original ratio. That means it is x minus 2 by y minus 8 is the ratio, will become 3 by 2, the reciprocal of the original one. Again we will cross multiply this. This will become 2. X minus 2 is equal to 3 y minus 8. That is 2x minus 2 2s are 4 is equal to 3y minus 8 3s are 24. We'll get all the variables on one side, that is 2x plus 3y comes to the left, comes minus 3y minus 24 and minus 4 comes here, it becomes plus 4. So the equation becomes 2x minus 3y is equal to minus 20. This is our second equation. Now we will solve our first equation and the second equation by elimination method. So we can write it down as 3x minus 2y is equal to 0 and the second one is 2x minus 3y is equal to minus 20. Now for elimination method, we'll make the coefficient of x similar. So what is the LCM of 3 and 2? It's 6. So if we multiply 3 with 2, we'll get 6. So we'll multiply the whole equation with 2 and the second equation we will multiply by 3 to get 6. So it becomes 6x minus 4y is equal to 0 and the second one becomes 6x minus 9y is equal to minus 60. So now we will solve it. How we will solve? Plus plus. So we'll change the sign. This becomes minus, this becomes plus and this becomes plus. So this gets cancelled and minus 4y plus 9y plus minus minus 9 minus 4 5y with the plus sign because 9 is greater. The minus sign has changed to plus and this is plus 60. So y is equal to 60 upon 5, that is 12. Now we will put the value of y as 12 in our equation first. I'm writing here 3x minus 2y is equal to 0. Now we got the value of y over here as 12. So we will put it here. It becomes 3x minus 12 2s are 24. Right, is equal to 0. So 3x is equal to 24 because 24 goes to the other side. So x is 24 by 3, that is 8.